Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy Valentine's Day decorations. So for the first decoration, the supplies I used are a mason jar or any vase that you have. You can use flowers. I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree, and these conversation hearts that I also got at the Dollar Tree. So what I did first is put all the candy in the jar. I used 4 bags. And then I just put the flowers in the jar. I was gonna put the whole flowers in there, but it wasn't working out, so I ended up getting my pliers and cutting each flower off and just putting them individually. It worked better that way. So for the second decoration, I used this fiber fill or polyfill. I got this at Hobby Lobby for $2.99. I'm not sure if that's a good deal. If you use, I guess, the 40% off, but I had used my coupon on something else that I got that day. So I paid $2.99 for that, and then these bandanas I got from the Dollar Tree, and a pair of scissors and a hot glue gun. So what I did first is take the bandanas apart, and I chose the XO bandana. I like that one. And I put them right side together, like I guess the right sides facing together. And I hot glued all the edges. And then I left a little hole to stuff the polyfill into the pillow. And I actually didn't think I was going to have enough, but when I cut the bag open, it expanded. So once I put all the stuffing in the pillowcase, I then glued it shut with the hot glue gun. So for the last decoration, I used these jars that I got from the Dollar Tree, these LED flower tea lights, some ribbon. I had the ribbon already on hand, and then this decorative sand that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and the pair of scissors. So what I did first is I poured the decorative sand in each jar, and then I put the LED flower tea light on top of the sand, and then I put a ribbon around the jar. And there you have it, 3 easy DIY Valentine decorations. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.